Want to make your video background look more professional? In this video, I'll show you how to remove and generate AI backgrounds with just one click. Perfect for making your YouTube videos look more professional. Let's get started. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. Remove the background. Once you open Edimakor, import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Next, click Remove BG. Now you'll see three options: Auto Removal, Chroma Key, and Blur Background. For this example, I'm choosing Advanced Mode under Auto Removal. It gives you a cleaner cutout and more detailed rendering. Perfect for removing complex video backgrounds. Step 3. Generate the background. Go to AI Image and open Image Generator. Enter a prompt for the kind of background you want. Something like a modern YouTuber or streamer studio setup with dual monitors, RGB lighting in purple and blue tones, a gaming PC with glowing fans, microphone arm, LED backlight shelves with collectible figures, and a cozy desk setup. The center area is kept clear for a person. Realistic cinematic lighting, high detail, no people. Choose your resolution, pick your aspect ratio, and then click Generate. In addition, Edimakor also provides a wide selection of ready-made backgrounds. You can pick one that fits your video perfectly. Finally, place the generated background underneath the cutout video clip on the timeline and adjust the composition. It looks just like you actually own your own company. Try out more scenes and see what you can create. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.